Hello guys, in this tutorial we will continue with our manga drawing discussion. So we will combine everything what we have learned last time. If you are new in my channel, please check the description below and watch my other videos in manga drawing. Okay, so here we will show you how to draw a manga character, manga face with different expressions for comics and for animation. So if you want to start your manga drawing, all you have to do is to start first with a circle. At the same time, um, you need to follow the simple techniques in drawing. So you need to use the solidity, the proportion, and the balance. Okay, I am now what you call this drawing the eyes of the character. So for the eyes, we have that tutorial. You just need to check the description below and check my previous tutorial on how to draw the eyes. So this is a female eyes. Okay, we will start first with a simple expression. This is for comics and for animation illustration. Okay, we have here the mouth, and then we will now what you call this draw the face. You can use your roller if you want. Okay, but it's better if you practice your hand for the freehand drawing. Why? If you are used in freehand drawing, eventually you can perfect the curves, the lines, and the contour of your drawing. Okay, so let's finish this first. I am now doing the hair. Okay, you can use your own style. You can even create your own strokes and style to draw your manga face. Okay, all right. So there you have it. Now we will do the expression. Why expression? Because if you are creating your own comics, it's very important that you understand how to draw the expression of your character. All right, as usual, we are using the circle. We are mapping the head. Okay, so we have the standing line and the sleeping line. Okay, let us draw the eyes. All right, so we have here the eyes, and then let us draw the nose and of course the mouth. So we have to exaggerate the expression, and the character in this drawing is facing to the left. Okay, so we have here the quarter view as far as our character is as our drawing character is concerned. Okay, let us draw the eyes. Okay, draw the eyes here. Okay, the iris, the glare of the eyes. Let us darken the mouth. Okay, and then let us draw the hair. There are lots of references to draw the manga here. Okay, you can get some of these references in the internet or in the manga comics. Okay, so we have here the expression. Let us draw another. Let us draw the circle. Okay, now it is facing to the right. Let us map the head. We have two circles. We have three sleeping lines. Let us draw now the face. We are emphasizing the face anatomy because that's how you project your manga character. Okay, this time we have a different expression. Okay, so let us first draw the mouth, and for sketching you can use any pencil. Do not push your pencil when you are doing the guides for your drawing or the outline. Okay, so we have here the eyebrow. Okay, the eyelid. Let us draw now the iris, and then we have here the pupil and the glare for the eyes. Now let us draw the nose. Okay, draw another eyes, eyelid, and then we have here the iris, the glare, and the shades for the pupil. Okay, that's the very simple step. If you are new in this channel, please check the description below so that you can watch the different basic steps, how to do the eyes, and of course the head and face anatomy. Now let us put now the speed lines. Okay, this will create a good impact to the manga expression. So it helps a lot in your drawing. Now let us finish the face. Okay, you can use the ruler for the face now, or any tools that comforts you to draw the face. Okay, let us finish the hair. Okay, all right. Let's finish this thing. Okay, now I am putting the speed lines or the shadows that will provide more bold or solidity to my drawing. Let us draw another circle. Let us create another extreme expression. Okay, this time let's do the side view. I have already discussed this in the previous video, but this time this is more a bit advanced topic. Okay, on manga face expression. Okay, so let us draw the nose, a big mouth. So we are following the rules of drawing for exaggeration. Okay, did you notice that I'm what you call this? What you call this? I'm turning the point of my pencil. I'm what you call this? This is to avoid a crush of to the lines, no? Okay, so we have there the eyebrow, the eyes. Okay, let us not darken this nose. Okay, and then we draw the mouth. So the mouth is big. Okay, it's part of exaggeration. So it provides more depth to the drawing. Okay, let us put some shadows or speed lines. Then we draw the eyes again here, the speed lines. Okay, it adds more character or depth expression to our drawing. Okay, so we have here the hair. Okay, do not uh, control your appetite to draw your manga character. Okay, you can do some experimentation, and at the same time you add your own styles and uh, practice keep on practicing. Okay, now we will draw another manga here. This time I will show you how to draw the basic uh, human anatomy. Okay, so we will project a male manga drawing. Okay, with a serious face expression. So as you can see, we are still using the circle as part of our uh, body anatomy. Okay, circles and lines are extremely important when you are doing your drawing. This is your guide, and this will create a proportion and balance to the subject. Okay, let us draw the hair. Now we are finished with the body. Okay, this is a male version of your manga character. Okay, so this is where we use the expression of the body, uh, of the manga body. No? Body language is part of the expression. Let us draw the hair. Okay, okay, and you need to twist your pencil. No? This is to maintain that thick and thin types of drawing. All right. Now let us draw now the arms. Okay. In our next video, we will discuss the details of the body anatomy of the manga drawing. Okay, now let us draw again the back view. If you look at it, no, if you observe the pose of this manga, this is on the quarter or the side, mini side, and the back view of the character. Okay. At the same time, you can see that the focus of the camera is more on side view, quarter view. Okay. So this is now the finished output. Let us put some lines, speed lines, shadow, darken a bit the face. Okay. So that's it. Okay. So we follow the lines, the exaggeration, the solidity, the balance of this drawing. Okay. Now we will again draw a male manga version with extreme expression. Okay, we will use the speed lines. Okay, to create the depth in the drawing. So this is a female style, a female version again. Okay, we I mean this instructions in this lesson is a bit advanced for comics creation and for animation. So if you are creating animation and if you want to draw your storyboards, well, you need these techniques. At the same time, if you are inclined to make your comics, you can use this thing as part of your comics creation. Uh, all right, so we have here the shadow, we have the hair. Okay, so this is the male version of our manga drawing. Let us put some spikes at the top. Okay, don't forget to twist your pen to maintain the thick and thin drawing. Okay, well, of course you can use your pen also if you want. No, this is just like a rough drawing for demo purpose only. Okay, let us finish this. Let's now draw the arm. Okay, the hands. Please don't forget to subscribe in this channel. All right, and share it to your colleagues and to your friends. Okay, thank you.